Hi there guys, this is Mega Snow Lizard with another video review. This one's a late one in the series. Transformers Dark of the Moon Autobot Air Raid. It's a level 2 transformation for ages 5+ years. So what we have here, of course, is Air Raid. And I know this one has been done. I was just messing around for a little bit. I couldn't find a nicer background, and I like this show, so I'm going to use this. I prefer shooting from this angle, but it was just easier to do everything. Okay, so here's this radar dish, which you could pop off and remove. And if you press the trigger on the back of this thing, you see it just extend into a weapon. So that's that. Nothing too great about this thing. What I like about this is just that it looks like a regular airliner. And you know, when you're a little kid, you always want this from the metal ones that you get from the airport, but you cannot really get because your parents says no. It's kind of cool because the front part of the cockpit right up here is transparent, so it actually looks like a cockpit, not painted over or anything. So that's kind of cool. So I like this mode better than the robot mode. But yeah, for the transformation is, I don't know, you have to fiddle with the joints a lot in order to get back into this mode. But to basically transform him, it doesn't take that much effort. Just pull everything apart. There goes my just pull everything apart, then push everything back together. That's basically the whole thing. Let's see here. You have to unlatch this area before you run the legs. Sorry guys. Yeah, you unlatch this area first, the backside, the butt of the whole thing. Then that way you can actually lift up the legs. Quiet. Okay, so yeah, that's the only way you can unlatch that, just by pulling these parts out first, or you'll break these off. As I said, there's lots of joint issues. It has to be perfect or it's not going to match. These ball joints have been popping off at the legs a lot, so be careful with that. I already have stress marks at the ball joints over here because I had to pull them up. They pop off and I had to push them back in. They're really tight, but that's also the problem. Yeah, here's the arms. Basically, you fold the wings back. Then, sorry guys, let me get a better angle. For the arms right here, just pull them out. Like so. So you have all the arms and legs all sprout out like that. Alright, then what you want to do is make sure that the legs, just move them forward like that. So he's like in a sitting position, basically. Then just rotate it down. Then turn the legs forward. Then kick out his heel spurs, so then he could actually stand. I'm just showing the bottom portion for now. All right. Let's just make sure that these are close by so they don't stick too far anywhere. Whoa. Oh, you can push them like that too. No, actually. Yeah, you can't really tinker around with this. Maybe you could put it in the back. You could shove these things in the back. They don't show that in the clip, but there you go. So the legs look a little bit cleaner. For the arms, just rotate them. So this is the mace arm. It does fold out, so like that. Just pull it out. Then push these down, so it looks like, I don't know, a mace. For the other arm, just turn it so it looks right. So this part will be on the front. Then you'll have all this back stuff. Okay, this is the automorph feature where the cockpit is down here. So you just lift it straight up. The wheel will, front wheel will pop out a little bit, but that's fine. Okay, so then, for that, just close it back up again. I don't know why it even has that feature, but just fold it back up, put it like one whole piece again, and just there you go. So if you continue to, I guess that's how you do it. Just relax it in place, then just round the wings around it, and that's about it. It looks like, no, the whole cockpit's still intact. And if you push it up, the head automatically pops up. So let me just put him in the sit down position so you can actually see everything. So that's him in robot mode. He doesn't look all that great as a robot. I think he looks way better as a jet, as a radar or whatever, whatchamacallit, the air raid alt mode. So yeah, so that's it for this guy. He's cool. I like the color. Can't go too bad with this guy, this character. But I said it's can't even put him in a relaxed position. Maybe like that. Put his hand up. No. He doesn't have a hand on this arm. It's just on his mace, and that's it. Well, whatever. Okay, so there you go with the air raid transformation to robot mode. And that's it. Yeah. So it's gonna take me a little while to put him back into jet mode. But this guy's a nice figure to have. If you like jets a lot, like me, then this is the way to go. Alright, this is Mega Snow Lizard signing off.